Hey everyone, welcome back to our money transfer series. In today's video, we're diving into video number 2, how to transfer money from Zelle to PayPal without a bank account in 2025. If you're someone who's unbanked, traveling, or just wants more flexibility with your finances, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's get right into it. First off, you might be wondering if this is even possible. The good news is, with the advancements in 2025, you can use alternative tools like prepaid debit cards or digital wallets to bridge the gap. These methods keep things simple and secure, avoiding the need for a traditional bank account. Step 1. Start by getting a prepaid debit card. In 2025, options like PayPal's own prepaid card or services from providers like Green Dot are widely available. You can often load these cards at retail stores or through mobile apps without linking to a bank. Step 2. Link your prepaid debit card to Zelle. Zelle has expanded its compatibility, so many prepaid cards now work seamlessly. Download the Zelle app, sign up with your email or phone number, and add your card as the funding source. It might take a quick verification step, but it's straightforward. Step 3. Transfer the money from Zelle to your prepaid card. Once linked, initiate the transfer in the Zelle app. Enter the amount and confirm. Funds should hit your card almost instantly, depending on the service. Step 4. Now, log into your PayPal account. Go to the Add Money section, select your prepaid debit card as the payment method, and transfer the funds over. PayPal will process it quickly, and you'll see the balance update in your account. A quick word of caution. Always check for any fees associated with these transfers, as they can vary by provider. Also, make sure your prepaid card is from a trusted source to avoid scams. In 2025, security features are top-notch, but stay vigilant. There you have it. Transferring money from Zelle to PayPal without a bank account is easier than ever. This method gives you the freedom to manage your money on the go. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.